Hello and good morning to all my lovely little children out there. I welcome you all for today's English class. Students, as you all know that we have completed our textbook, no? And now we are left only with the workbook, the last topic. So before we complete the last topic, let us revise and recall back what we have done in our previous class. In our previous class, which was a live class, I have taught you what is the meaning of a sentence, right? A sentence is a group of words that comes together and frame a complete sense. It makes a complete sense. It is a group of words that comes together and which gives us a complete sense or a meaning when we read the sentence. And I've also told you that a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or even a question mark if it is a question sentence. And I have taught you what is a jumble sentence. Jumble sentences is also a group of words which are all jumbled. It's not in a proper order, no? And then when we read the jumble sentence, we are not able to get the idea of what the sentence is trying to tell us, no? Whereas a proper sentence is a group of words that comes together and gives us a meaning or some idea is being reflected through the sentence. Okay, students? So in today's class, what we are going to do? We are going to learn how to stretch a sentence. Since you all are very small, you don't know, no? How to write long sentences, how to make a proper sentence. So in today's class, I will be teaching you how to make proper sentences with the help of 5 points. So are you all excited and ready? So let's get started, students. So our topic for today is stretch a sentence. That means how we should stretch a sentence to make a proper sentence. So students, as I have told you already, there are 5 points which you have to remember in order to stretch a sentence and make a longer sentence. Okay, so let us see what are those points. Number 1 is who. If it is a person or a group of person, who, you will ask a question who. And if it is a thing, you can ask a question what. That is number 1. Number 2 is doing what. So what is the person or the thing doing? So that is number 2. Okay. Number 3 is where. In which place? You are going to answer the question where. In the house, in the classroom, in the playground. So where? Which is the place? Okay. Number 4 is when. At what time? In the morning, at night, in daytime. So that is number 4. And the last one, number 5 is why. Why they are doing that? Whatever they are doing, why they are doing it? Is it for enjoyment? Is it for some work? So these are the 5 points. Who is doing what, where, when, and why. So students, in the picture, what can you see there in the picture? Who can you see it on the picture? That is the children. If you ask the question, who? The children. Is doing what? They are doing exercise, right? They are doing exercise. Where? In the playground. Yes, they are doing exercise in the playground. When? In the morning. If you ask the question when, in the morning. And if you ask the question why, because they want to stay fit and healthy. Now if you join all these answers which you have asked to this question, that is who is doing what, where, when, and why, you will get a very long, good, proper sentence. That is when you join the children are doing exercise in the garden in the morning Because they want to stay fit and healthy, right students? So in this way, what we can do, we can make a long sentence with the help of these 5 questions. So they are in your workbook. There are some questions given, so let us try to do this with the help of this 5 question. Let us try to solve it and make proper sentences. We'll stretch the sentence and make a proper. Students, in page number 58 of your English workbook, there you can see there they have given few exercises. No, answer the following questions and make sentences. Okay, number 1, what? You can see it on the picture. What it is? The bus. No, is doing what? What is the bus doing? You can write down is standing. Right? What is the bus doing? Is standing. Where? Which place? At the bus stop. Right? Yes, you write down at the bus stop. When? What is the time? At night. Yes. Why? Why is the bus standing? The 5th question. For the passengers to arrive. That means the passengers will come and board the bus. No. Now when you join all the answer to the following questions, that is what is doing what, where, when, why, you will get a full big proper sentence. That is, the bus is standing at the bus stop at night for the passengers to arrive. Right? Very good. And remember students, a sentence should always start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Let us try to do number 2. Who? What is written there? Who? The cat is doing what? Was sleeping. What is the cat doing? The cat was sleeping. Where? Where is the cat sleeping? In the sun. Outside in the sun. Okay. When? What was the time? In the afternoon. Why is the cat sleeping in the sun in the afternoon? Because it felt cold. Right? Now here also, when you try to join all the answers, what you will get? You will get a proper sentence, which will be, the cat was sleeping in the sun in the afternoon because it felt cold. Right? Very good. Let us try to do the next one. Number 3, given in page number 59. Who? My friend. Right? Is doing what? Is writing. What is the friend doing? Is writing. Where? In her notebook. Where is she writing? She's writing in her notebook. When? When? Since when? That is for an hour. Since 1 hour the girl is writing. That is my friend. No? Why? To finish her homework before playtime. She wants to go out to play with her friends. So before the playtime, she wants to finish her homework. So when you join all these answers to the question, you will get a proper sentence. My friend is writing in her notebook for an hour to finish her homework before playtime. Right, students? Let us see number 4. Who? I. Now it's our turn. I is doing what? Watching. I am watching the clouds. Watching the clouds. Right? Where? In the sky. Where is the clouds? The clouds, you will find it in the sky. No? In the sky. When? On this sunny day. When am I watching the clouds? On this sunny day. Why? Because they have funny shapes. No, they are funny shapes. Nice, beautiful and funny shapes in the sky. Right? So, when you join this also, you will get a proper sentence. That is, I am watching the clouds in the sky on this sunny day because they have funny shapes. The last one, number 5. Who? The boy. What is the boy doing? Is playing with the puppy. So the boy is playing with the puppy. Where? In the garden. When? After school. When is the time? It is after school. Why? Because he loves animals, right? So when you join this, the boy is playing with the puppy in the garden after school because he loves animals. A proper sentence is being framed, right? And students, the answer which I have given you, it can be changed also. You can write something else also. For example, the boy. You can write is playing with his friends in the park, right? When? In the evening. Why? Because he loves to play. It can be any. According to the question, you can write it. Okay, this is only a sample which I am sharing with you. You can also frame your own sentences and write it in your own words. But please remember, students, the 5 points to stretch a sentence. Number 1 is who. Number 2 is doing what. Number 3 is where. Number 4 is when. And number 5 is why. When you answer this question, you will get small sentences. When you combine it together, you will get a proper long sentence. So I hope all of you have understood, students, right? So you do the exercises. I shall see you all in my next class with all the revisional topics. And till then, take care, stay safe and healthy, keep learning. Bye-bye.